Hello, good morning students. Welcome back to your online classes. Today we will do EVS of class 3rd chapter 6. Okay? Chapter name Foods we eat. Foods we eat. Why we eat food? Why do we eat food? We eat food to get energy. Okay? So in this chapter we will study about different types of food that we eat daily, every day. Okay, so here in page number 36 there is given, we will read it. Okay, so everybody you have to see there. Last night I ate a chapati made up of bajra with jaggery. Jaggery means good. Okay, so here they are talking, they are conversing between, they are talking. Okay, what he ate? He ate last night chapati with jaggery. Next one, she is saying I cooked dal and rice. Next one, yesterday no food was cooked in my house. Okay, and she is saying yesterday there was no food cooked in her houses. Okay. Next, that boy is saying I went to the Gurudwara with my grandmother for the langar. We ate dal and chapati. Okay, he is saying, that boy is saying, last night we went Gurudwara to have a langar. Okay. Next, that girl is saying, Ammi had cooked kheer and puri with I don't like, so I ate an omelette instead. And here she is saying, last night my ammi, she prepared kheer and puri, but I don't like this. So what she ate? She ate omelette. Okay. Next, this girl is saying, my mother cooked fish. I ate lots of fish. It was really tasty. And she is saying, last night what she ate? Fish. That boy is saying, my mother bought noodles for us from the house where she works. We enjoy eating it. So he ate noodles. Okay. So here among them they are discussing, they are saying what they ate last night. Okay. Page number 37. In page number 37, what did you eat yesterday? Write it on the plate. So yesterday, आपने कल क्या खाया वहाँ पर आपको लिखना है. आपने कल क्या क्या खाया उसे लिखना है. Now next one. Now on the blackboard write the name of all the food items that you have written on your plate. So here what you have to do in this question, you can write. You have to write all the food items that you eat. Okay. Next one. Did all the children in the class eat the same food items yesterday? Why? So in our class also, in our school also, all the children, they are not having same food daily. Every day they are eating different food. Okay. Why? Because they don't like same food daily. Next one, you must have noticed that in the picture there is one child in whose house no food was cooked. What could be the reason? So in page number 36 there is a girl. She said that in her house there is no food cooked yesterday. So what is the reason? Maybe nobody was there in their houses to cook, and maybe, okay, and what is there another reason? Maybe there is no food, that's why they not cooked. Okay. Next one, has it ever happened to you that on some day you were very hungry but there was nothing to eat? If yes, why? So have you feel like this? Means anytime you are very hungry and you are feeling like to eat anything but nothing was there to eat. क्या आपने ऐसे फील किया है कि आपको बहुत भूख लगी हो और आपको खाने के लिए कुछ भी नहीं है? यू कैन राइट दिस वन. ओके. नेक्स्ट वन, हाउ डू यू नो दैट यू आर हंग्री? हाउ डू यू नो जनरली व्हेन वी आर हंग्री? हाउ डू यू नो दैट? जनरली वी फील stomach pain, okay, and headache, and we feel very weak. Next one, how do you feel when you are hungry? We feel very weak. Okay students. Next, there is given Vipul's family. So now we will study about Vipul's family. Okay. In Vipul's family, there are some members who do not eat what Vipul's eat. Okay. So in Vipul's family, many members are there, but which are the things that Vipul eat? Other members, they don't like to eat. Okay. Do you think these people do not eat or cannot eat what Vipul's eat? So what do you think? क्या वो उसे खाना नहीं चाहते या तो वे उसे खाना नहीं खा सकते, खाना नहीं चाहते या फिर उसे खा नहीं सकते? क्या आप सोचते हैं? लेट अस रीड अबाउट Vipul's family. While returning home from school, Vipul brought a bhutta, means corn, on the cob. He reached home and asked his mother, "Where is Chutki? I want to see her." Okay, when he came to school, when he came to home after school, he bought bhutta and he is searching his sister. His mother replied, "Chutki is in the room upstairs." Vipul caught his grandmother's hand and said, "You also come upstairs with me." Okay, Vipul said, "You also come to upstairs." His mother stopped him. "I have soaked bas chapati in dal." Okay, here what is there? Ba means grandmother. Okay, so what she is doing? She is soaked that chapati in dal, because ba means grandmother maybe cannot eat that chapati, so because of that she is soaking that. Okay, let her first have her meal. So she said, Vipul's mother said, Vipul की मम्मी ने कहा, first she will eat food, then I will come. Have you put sugar in the dal? Okay students, have you put sugar in dal? After coming to Nagpur, you have forgotten our own way of making food, said Dadi to Vipul's mother. And Dadi is saying, what saying to Vipul's mother? After coming from that Nagpur, you forget how you are preparing food for me. Okay, why she said? Because she forget to put sugar in her dal. Okay, दाल में शुगर नहीं डाला था, इसलिए उनकी ग्रैंडमदर ने कहा कि आपने खाना बनाना भूल गई. I have tasted the dal, it has been prepared well, replied Vipul's mother. Okay, then his mother said that I prepared that dal, it is very tasty. Vipul picked up his grandmother's plate and ran upstairs. He asked her to follow him quickly, and Vipul, he came to upstairs and he said his grandmother also come. Okay, he took grandmother's plate. When I was your age, I could run up a hill in the same time, said Dadi. Okay, Dadi said that when I am in your age, I am running everywhere. Vipul gave the bhutta he was eaten to his mummy, washed his hands and lifted little Chutki. Okay, so what is there? Vipul, he eat that bhutta, then he gave some of that to mother, then some of the bhutta he left for little sister Chutki. Okay, suddenly Chutki started crying. She is hungry. Okay, so why she started crying? Because she is very hungry. Okay, sad mummy. She sat down to feed Chutki and said that now mummy, she is feeding her, उसे खाना खिला रही. Okay, why was Dadi not able to climb the upstairs quickly? Because she was very old. Dadi was not able to climb that upstairs because she was very old. Okay, next one, how does Dadi like to have her dal? Dadi like to have her dal with sugar. Okay, sugar in her dal. Next, How many persons in the story can you eat bhutta easily and why? So in this story, Bipul's family, many family members are there, but can you tell how many people or how many members can eat that bhutta? Only Bipul can eat, then his mother can eat. Okay, Chutki, she is very small, so she cannot eat. And Ba means grandmother also cannot eat because she don't have teeth. Okay. Can all old people eat bhutta? Why? Can all the old people can eat bhutta? No, because they don't have teeth. Okay, so they have difficulty to chewing it. For 4 months, Chutki will have only her mother's milk. That is her only food. Why? So for 4 months, Chutki is having only her mother's milk. Why? Because she is very small. She cannot eat anything. Okay. Next one, ask your elders and fill in the table. So what is there? You have to do this one by yourself. Okay. You have to ask what can they eat and what can they not eat. So here you can ask child what they can eat and what they cannot eat. Child, छोटे बच्चे क्या खा सकते हैं और क्या नहीं खा सकते हैं. Okay. So next one, young people means okay, what they can eat and what they cannot eat. क्या खा सकते हैं और क्या नहीं खा सकते. Old people, what they can eat and what they cannot eat. So this was about things that we can or cannot eat. Do we eat all the things that we can eat? Not always. So which are the things that we are eating always? Always cannot eat. Some of the times we can eat. Okay. Let us talk about those things that we do eat. So here, which are the things that we can eat? What you have to do? You have to circle. Put a circle on the things that you eat often. Okay. So आप जो खाते हैं उसे क्या करना है? सर्कल करना है. तो राइस, मेज, राइस, yes, rice we can eat. Then maize, millet, barley also. Then oats also. So these all things we can eat often. Most of our food is made up of these things. So our food, it is generally made up of all these things: rice, maize, millets, barley, and all these things. Okay. Which place different things are eaten at different places? So in our country, all the different places have, or all these places, different places, they have their different traditionals. Okay, they are eating different kind of foods. They are wearing different kind of clothes. Find out where each of these things is eaten more. तो यहाँ पर क्या करना है, आपको ढूंढना है कि कौन सी चीज़ कहाँ पर सबसे ज़्यादा खाते हैं. We not only eat different things, but we also use the same things to prepare a variety of food item. So here we can see, एक ही चीज़ से बहुत सारे चीज़ हम बनाने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. Find out and write what all can be prepared from rice and wheat. Okay, तो wheat और राइस से क्या क्या और चीज़ें बनाई जा सकती हैं. तो चपाती, ओके, wheat flour चपाती, हलवा, पूरी, idli, then paratha, or many other things also we can make. Kheer also. Okay. Sorry, here what is there? Puri, chapati, all these things. Then here rice flour. From that we are using to make dosa, pulao, chapati also. Okay, rice flour, chapati, then laddu, then kheer. All these things we can make. Next, how many things did you write? Similarly, different pulses, vegetables, fruits, meat, etc. are eaten in different places. So in different places they are eating different kind of foods. Okay, people have different likes and dislikes. Let us talk about it. So all the peoples, they have their different likes or dislikes also. सभी लोगों की पसंद और नापसंद अलग अलग होती है. ओके, राइट द नेम ऑफ 3 फूड आइटम्स यू लाइक टू ईट एंड 3 दैट यू डिसलाइक. सो 3 लाइक मीन्स पसंद करना, डिसलाइक मीन्स नहीं पसंद करना. ओके, सो हियर यू कैन राइट 3 नेम्स ऑफ फूड दैट यू लाइक and 3 food names that you don't like. Okay, are you likes or dislikes similar to that of your family members or your friends? क्या आपकी पसंद और नापसंद आपके फैमिली मेम्बर्स और आपके फ्रेंड्स से सेम है? Let us talk to some people and know that what they like to eat. So here let's say, okay, she is a girl. I live in Hong Kong. My mother and I both love to eat snake. So Hong Kong, where they are living, Hong Kong, and what they like to eat, snake. Whenever we feel like eating snake, we go to a nearby hotel and eat lingu fan. Okay, so what they are eating, snake. Next picture, that girl Junie, where she is living. I live in Kashmir. I like fish cooked in mustard oil. Once we had gone to Goa, we ate fish there, but it tasted very different. My mother said that it was sea fish cooked in coconut oil. It had been different. So Junie, she is living in Kashmir and she liked to eat cooked fish. But when they went somewhere, means where they went? They went there, different places, Goa. Then there they taste, there they eat fish. That is, their taste is very different. That taste, okay, that fish. Then her mother told that it is sea fish and it is made up. Which oil it is using to make? Coconut oil. Okay. Next one, Thomas. I live in Kerala. I really like to eat 2 things, both grown in our courtyard. One grows on a tall tree and the other underground. It is great to eat boiled tropico, which any curry made using coconut. It tastes very good. Okay, he is saying that he like to eat 2 things. Okay, so one, it is grown in his courtyard. One thing that is tall tree, that is grown in tall tree, and another thing that is under the ground. Okay, next one, page number 42. What are the reasons that decide that what we eat? Put right on them, add to the list. Here, so here, which are the things that decided that which are the things that we have to eat? It is depend on the availability. Okay, what is the easily available? And next one, what we can buy. Okay, what we can buy. And next one, have customs and traditions. Okay, in some of the places, what is there? They have their own customs and traditions. Okay, and next one, likes and dislikes. Okay, people, they have their different likes and dislikes. Okay, next one, next question, names of some things are given below. Put right on the things that you can buy eaten. If there is anything about which you are not sure, you ask to your teacher. So here what we have to do? We have to tick mark. Okay, we have to tick the things which we can eaten. Okay, so here one by one we can see banana flowers. Yes, it can be eatable. We can eat. Drumstick flowers. Yes, it can be eatable. Mushroom. Yes. Lotus stem. Yes. Red ants. No, we cannot eat. Leftover chapati. No, we cannot eat. We are throwing outside. Okay, or we are giving to animals. Camel's milk. Yes, it is using for drink. Hen's egg. Yes, it can be eatable. Leaves of arbi. Yes. Rat cannot eat. We cannot eat. Okay. Fish. Yes, can eat. Frog? No. Amla? Yes. Chapati? Made up of bajra? Yes. Next one, cauliflower? Yes. Meat? Yes. Seeds of onion? Kalonji? Yes. Some of the place it can be eatable. कुछ जगह पर इसे खाते हैं. ओके. Crab? Yes. Grass? No. Grass cannot eat. Coconut oil? Cannot eat, but it is used some of the particular areas it is used for cooking food. Okay, like Kerala. Chapati made up of gram? Yes. Next one, write the name of some food item that you have never eaten before but feel like eating. So यहाँ पर क्या करना है, आपको उस फूड आइटम के बारे में लिखना है जिसे आपने कभी नहीं खाया लेकिन आपको खाने का मन है. ओके. So this chapter it is finished. Question answer I will send in your WhatsApp group. Okay students, thank you.